DIY basement finishing project, how I transformed an unfinished basement into a beautiful living space. Hello, my name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. Have you ever walked downstairs into your unfinished basement and wondered what it could become? Maybe all you see is cold concrete floors, exposed ceiling joists, dangling electrical wires, and accumulated storage. That's exactly what I saw when I looked at this space. To most people, it looked like an expensive remodeling project that would require hiring a contractor and spending tens of thousands of dollars. But after more than 40 years of tackling DIY home improvement projects, I've learned that every finished room begins as an empty space, waiting for someone with a vision. In this video, I'm taking you through the complete transformation of my basement, from an unfinished shell into a beautiful, functional extension of my home. I'll show you the planning, framing, electrical work, drywall installation, painting, flooring, and finishing touches that completely changed this space. Along the way, I'll also share the lessons I learned, the challenges I faced, and practical tips that can help you if you're thinking about finishing your own basement. Whether you're looking to increase your home's value, gain additional living space, or simply challenge yourself with a rewarding DIY project, this transformation proves that with careful planning, patience, and persistence, an unfinished basement can become one of the most enjoyable areas in your entire home. Every successful remodeling project starts long before the first board is cut or the first screw is driven. It begins with a plan. Before purchasing a single piece of lumber, I spent time deciding exactly how I wanted this basement to function for my family. Rather than creating one large open room, I wanted to maximize every square foot by designing several individual spaces that would make everyday life more comfortable and convenient. My vision included a spacious entertainment room for relaxing and watching movies, a dedicated workout room to eliminate trips to the gym, a full bathroom, a hallway that connected everything together, a kitchenette for snacks and entertaining guests, and plenty of storage to keep the home organized. Before I ever picked up a hammer or started building walls, I spent a considerable amount of time designing the layout of the basement on paper. One lesson I've learned through more than 40 years of DIY home improvement is that the success of any remodeling project depends on careful planning long before construction begins. I started by studying the original builder's basement floor plan to understand the home's foundation, support walls, windows, exterior doors, stair location, bathroom rough-in, and mechanical systems. From there, I created my own detailed design drawings that transformed an empty, unfinished basement into a functional living space tailored to my family's needs. Using scaled drawings allowed me to experiment with different room layouts without wasting time or materials. I could easily move walls, resize rooms, relocate doorways, and evaluate traffic flow before cutting a single piece of lumber. My plans also helped me determine the best locations for electrical outlets, lighting, plumbing, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning vents, closets, and storage areas, while ensuring everything would work together as one cohesive design. By comparing the original basement layout with my finished design, I was able to visualize how every square foot of unused space could be transformed into an entertainment room, workout room, bathroom, hallway, kitchenette, utility room, and additional storage. Creating detailed floor plans gave me a clear roadmap throughout the entire project, reduced costly mistakes, improved material estimates, and allowed me to confidently tackle each phase of construction one step at a time. In my experience, a well-thought-out set of drawings is one of the most valuable tools any DIY homeowner can have because it turns an overwhelming renovation into a series of manageable tasks. The finished basement you see today didn't happen by accident. It started with a vision, careful measurements, and a simple set of floor plans that guided every decision, from the first wall I framed to the final piece of trim I installed. The finished basement you see today didn't happen by accident. It started with a vision, careful measurements, and a simple set of floor plans that guided every decision from the first wall I framed to the final piece of trim I installed. I also had to carefully consider existing plumbing lines, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning ductwork, electrical panels, support columns, and ceiling height before finalizing the layout. Spending extra time during the planning stage helped prevent costly mistakes later and made every phase of construction move much more smoothly. One lesson I've learned over decades of DIY projects is that careful planning almost always saves both time and money. Before any remodeling began, this basement looked much like countless unfinished basements across the country. Bare concrete walls surrounded the space while exposed ceiling joists revealed every plumbing pipe, electrical wire, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and floor support above. The concrete floor was cold, unfinished, and echoed with every step. While many homeowners see an unfinished basement as little more than a storage area, I saw something entirely different. I saw hundreds of square feet filled with opportunity. One of the biggest advantages of working with an unfinished basement is having complete access to every mechanical system before the walls are closed up. This is the perfect time to inspect plumbing, add electrical outlets, improve lighting, install insulation, and make upgrades that would be difficult after construction is complete. Although the basement looked rough at this stage, it provided a blank canvas where every wall, doorway, and room could be designed exactly the way I wanted. Sometimes it's difficult to imagine the finished result when you're standing in an empty concrete space, but that's where vision becomes one of your greatest tools. Once the design was finalized, it was time to begin transforming ideas on paper into reality. Framing is the stage where an empty basement finally begins to resemble a real home. Every wall started with carefully measured, pressure-treated bottom plates fastened securely to the concrete floor, followed by vertical wall studs that established each room's size and layout. Every measurement mattered because even small mistakes at this stage could affect drywall installation, flooring, trim work, and doors later in the project. As each wall went up, the basement slowly transformed from one large open area into separate living spaces with clearly defined purposes. Doorways were framed, closets were created, hallways took shape, and each room began developing its own identity. Framing may not be the most exciting part of a remodeling project, but it provides the structural backbone for everything that follows. Taking the time to build straight, square walls made every future step, from installing drywall to hanging doors, much easier and resulted in a more professional-looking finished basement. With the framing complete, attention shifted to the systems hidden inside the walls that make a home comfortable, safe, and functional. This phase required careful planning because once the drywall is installed, accessing these components becomes much more difficult. Electrical wiring was routed through the wall studs to provide lighting, switches, receptacles, and dedicated circuits where needed. Plumbing lines were installed for the bathroom and kitchenette while ensuring proper drainage and venting. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning ductwork was extended and modified to provide balanced heating and cooling throughout every finished room, creating a comfortable environment year-round. Although these systems won't be visible once the project is complete, they're among the most important parts of any basement remodel. This stage is where planning truly pays off, because it's much easier to add an extra electrical outlet, future-proof wiring, or additional plumbing now than after the walls are finished. Good craftsmanship behind the walls ensures years of reliable performance long after the project is complete. One of the most exciting moments in any remodeling project is watching drywall completely transform the appearance of the space. Almost overnight, the exposed framing disappeared and actual rooms began to emerge. After hanging each sheet of drywall, every joint was taped, mudded, sanded, and finished until the walls appeared smooth and seamless. Once the walls were prepared, fresh paint brightened the basement and made the rooms feel larger, cleaner, and far more inviting. Installing the suspended ceiling completed another major milestone by hiding the exposed floor joists while still allowing easy access to plumbing, electrical wiring, and HVAC components for future maintenance. The combination of finished walls, clean paint, and ceiling tiles dramatically changed the atmosphere of the basement. What once felt like a dark utility space was beginning to resemble the comfortable living area I had envisioned from the very beginning. As construction continued, each individual room began serving its intended purpose. The entertainment room became a comfortable gathering place where family and friends could relax, watch movies, and enjoy time together. The workout room provided a convenient place to stay active without leaving home, making exercise more accessible regardless of the weather. The kitchenette added functionality for entertaining guests, preparing snacks, and reducing trips upstairs during family gatherings. And comfortable. The full bathroom made the basement completely self-sufficient and added tremendous convenience for both family members and overnight visitors. Even the hallway played an important role by connecting each space while giving the basement the appearance of a professionally designed living area. Every room was carefully planned to maximize available space while creating a layout that felt natural, open, and comfortable. Watching each room come together reinforced the value of thoughtful planning and steady progress throughout the project. The finishing details are what truly separate an average remodeling project from one that looks professionally completed. After the major construction was finished, attention shifted toward installing trim, baseboards, doors, door casings, flooring transitions, cabinets, lighting fixtures, hardware, and countless small details that often go unnoticed individually but make a tremendous difference when viewed together. Luxury vinyl plank flooring added warmth, durability, and a finished appearance throughout the basement while complementing the wall colors and trim. Every piece of molding was carefully measured and installed to provide clean transitions between walls, ceilings, and floors. Light fixtures brightened each room while creating a welcoming atmosphere that no longer resembled a basement at all. It's often these final details that homeowners remember most because they tie the entire project together and create the polished appearance everyone appreciates. Standing back and comparing the finished basement to where this project began is almost hard to believe. What was once an unfinished storage area filled with exposed concrete, open framing, and utility systems has been transformed into a beautiful extension of the home. The new entertainment room provides comfortable living space for family gatherings, the workout room supports a healthier lifestyle, the bathroom and kitchenette add convenience, and the finished hallway connects every room into one cohesive design. Beyond creating additional living space, this project also increased the home's functionality, comfort, and overall value. More importantly, it demonstrates what can be accomplished through careful planning, patience, and a willingness to learn new skills. Every hour spent measuring, building, wiring, painting, and finishing contributed to a transformation that my family can enjoy for years to come. After completing this basement remodel, I walked away with several valuable lessons that apply to nearly every DIY project. First, never underestimate the importance of planning. A well-thought-out design saves countless hours and prevents expensive mistakes during construction. Second, don't rush the work that no one will ever see. Proper framing, electrical wiring, plumbing, insulation and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning installation are just as important, if not more important, than the finished paint and flooring. Third, remember that large remodeling projects aren't completed in a weekend. They are finished one step, one room, and one decision at a time. There will always be unexpected challenges along the way, but every problem has a solution if you're willing to slow down, think carefully, and keep moving forward. Finally, don't let the size of a project intimidate you. Every experienced DIYer started exactly where every beginner starts, with a single project and a willingness to learn. Confidence is built through experience, and every completed project prepares you for the next one. I hope this basement transformation has inspired you to look at your own home a little differently. Sometimes the space you've been overlooking has the greatest potential to improve the way you live every day. Whether you're planning to finish an entire basement or simply tackle one room at a time, remember that every successful project begins with careful planning, quality workmanship, and the confidence to take that first step. If you found this project helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up and shared it with someone who's thinking about remodeling their basement. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know what part of this project you found most interesting or what questions you have about finishing a basement yourself. And if you're new to Conleys Home Improvement, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because I share real DIY home improvement projects based on more than 40 years of hands-on experience, from decks, pergolas, patios, and drainage systems to woodworking, remodeling, painting, and everything in between. For even more detailed tutorials, project photos, downloadable guides, and DIY tips, visit my website using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, thank you for supporting the channel, and I'll see you in the next DIY home improvement project. Conleys Home Improvement. Making your home look good one project at a time. DIY basement finishing project, how I transformed an unfinished basement into a beautiful living space. Follow at Conleys-Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following.